For decades, researchers have debated several theories about the moon's origin. One of the oldest ideas was that the moon formed elsewhere in the solar system and was later captured by Earth's gravity. However, this theory doesn't explain why the moon's composition is so similar to Earth's crust. Another idea suggested that Earth and the moon formed together, side by side, from the same cloud of dust and gas. But if that were true, we'd expect their compositions to be identical, which they aren't. The leading theory today is called the giant impact hypothesis. According to this idea, around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet named Theia crashed into the early Earth. This colossal collision would have vaporized huge amounts of rock, sending debris into space. Over time, this material clumped together, forming the moon. This theory explains why the moon is made mostly of Earth-like material, while still having some unique differences. However, there are still problems with this theory. Computer models suggest that most of the moon should be made of Theia's material, but studies of lunar rocks show that the moon is almost entirely made of Earth's crust, raising questions about how the impact really happened. Some scientists think that Theia's collision may have completely mixed its material with Earth's, while others believe there may have been multiple impacts instead of just one. To solve this mystery, scientists continue to study moon rocks from the Apollo missions, as well as data from robotic landers and orbiters. Future lunar missions might even uncover new clues hidden beneath the surface. Until then, the true story of how our closest celestial neighbor was born remains one of the greatest unanswered questions in planetary science. Level 25. At the quantum level, reality doesn't behave the way we expect. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, change their behavior when observed, and even seem to affect each other instantly across vast distances. But one of the biggest mysteries in quantum mechanics is something called the measurement problem.